Oh, one looking. More.
There's some back here. Nice. Okay, you ready to get some purple ones?
Yeah.
See them?
Oh, big one.
1, 2. Nice. Do you see all of those? I didn't even know those were there. Okay, grab some.
Also, I have that big one.
I did not realize there were some.
Nina. Nina.
It looks like a banana.
I mean, Nina.
Oh my God, it's gonna rain any second. We gotta trim and bounce. It started downpouring on me out there. Here is today's haul though. All of this oregano, some beautiful garlic. I'm gonna try to cure these ones rather than make them into garlic powder. Some spicy bueno mulata peppers, peas, more oregano because I needed a second basket, chives, thyme,
Mommy.
and beans.
Mommy.